Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before continuing, like us, like and fly Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it's from WASSCE 2024 May-June General Mathematics. Question number 8. It says, two observers, Abu and Badu, 46 meters apart, observe a bed on a vertical pole from the same side of the bed. The angle of elevation of the bed from Abu and Badu eyes are 40 degrees and 48 degrees respectively. If at the foot of the pole, Abu and Badu are on the same horizontal, A. Illustrate the information in a diagram. B. Calculate correct to one decimal place the height of the pole. So in this case, we are going to find the solution of the height of the pole from angle of elevation, taking the pole as the point where the bed pitch on. So we have here, assuming we have a pole this way, and this is the horizontal ground where Abu and Abdul are. So here we have the first point here, A, and the first point here, B. It says the bed, this is the pole, and the bed will be somewhere here, pitched on top of the pole. So one from here, somebody will be here. The first person will be here looking at this place, and the second person will be here looking at the same place. So it says that the angle of elevation are 40 and 48 degrees respectively. And you know that when you stand on a point looking at a distance, the far apart the angle of elevation will be less. So here we have 40 degrees. So the one that is closer to the pole, the angle of elevation will increase. So here we have 48 degrees. It says that Abu and Abdul is 40 degrees and 48 degrees respectively. So this is Abu and this is Badu. It now says that from the question, it says that two observers, Abu and Badu, 46 meters apart. So distance between this place and this place, which is Abu and Badu, is 46 meters apart. That is what it means. This is the pole. Let's call this point C. And the point where the bed pitch on top of the pole, let's call it D. So this is what we are going to look for. So now, as we have this point between Abdul and Badu, which is 46 meters, so the distance between B and C, which is between Badu and the pole, let's call this Y meters. And also, what we are looking for is the height, where we have it H, is also in meters. That is the height of the pole, that is H meters. So the question now says that we should illustrate the information in a diagram. So this is typical example of the diagram that we have. So we can rewrite this, we draw this way. So, and this is a right angle triangle because the pole is vertically upright. So this angle turned out to become 90 degrees. So this is for A. This is the information as we illustrated in a diagram. Then B says that we should calculate correct to one decimal place the height of the pole. So the height of the pole, how do we do that? Let's find out that from the trigonometric ratio, we have tan theta equals to opposite all over adjacent. So this is what we are going to use. So from here, we are going to look at the face. This is a triangle, and this diagram has two triangles. If you look at it, a bigger triangle and a smaller triangle. First of all, let us look at the bigger triangle. Look at triangle is triangle ADC is the bigger triangle. In that case, when we introduce, we say tan theta, which is, we take this as 40. Our theta is 40 equals to opposite, which is the H, all over the adjacent. Our adjacent is going to be 46 plus Y because distance between A and C. So that is what we have. So here we have it as tan 40 equals to h all over 46 plus y. In this case, we can cross multiply. By cross multiplying, our h will be equals to tan 40 times 46 plus y. So this is what we have. This, we call this equation 1. Then the second one, that is the second triangle inside here, the smaller triangle, we have it as triangle BDC, where we have angle as 48. So for the second part, we say for triangle BDC, we have tan 48 equals to the same thing that we have opposite all over adjacent. So the opposite is h all over our adjacent. Our adjacent here is y meters. So we have it y. In this case, we can cross multiply. Therefore, we have h equals to y times tan 48 degrees. So this is what we have. We call this equation 2. We have the height in equation 1 and also have the height in equation 2. So we can equate, we say equate equation 1 and equation 2. When we equate two of them, we will have tan 40 into 46 plus y equals to y into tan 48. So this is what we have. So the next step for us to do is for us to expand this, the left hand side. So we have it as tan 40 times 46 plus tan 40 times y. We have it equals to y times tan 48. So that is what we have. So the next step is for us to collect like terms, because we have y here and we have y here. So we will transpose this into this other side. So we have here, this is the same thing as 46 tan 40 equals to, we have y tan 48 minus y tan 40. So this is what we have. So we can clean this. So here, as we say, we have 46 tan 40 equals to, we can, because we have y common, we can factor it out. We have y into tan 48 minus tan 40. So this is what we have. In this case, we can divide both sides by tan 48 minus tan 40. So this will become 46 tan 40 all over tan 48 minus tan 40 equals to y into tan 48 minus tan 40 all over tan 48 minus tan 40. So this will cancel here and this will cancel here. Therefore, y equals to 46 tan 40 is the same thing as 0.8390. This is multiplication sign. All over, we have tan 48 is the same thing as 1.1106 minus tan 40, which is 0.8390. So in this case, we can multiply this. When we multiply that, we have y equals to 46 times 0.8390 all over 0.716. So this is what we have as y. When we punch our calculator, the value of our y will give us, y equals to 142.16 meters. So this is the value of our y that we've gotten. So the next step is for us to find the height of the pole. So here we recall that from equation 2 here, we recall that our h, we can put the value of y in h. Here we recall that we have h equals to y into tan 48 degrees. So because we are looking for the height of the pole, so we are going to substitute y as 142.16 meters into here. Therefore, h will be equals to y, which is 142.16 times tan 48 is the same thing as 1.1106. When we multiply this, our h will be equals to 157.885. Because we are asked to find the height of the pole and correct to one place of decimal, therefore our h will be equals to 157.9 meters. So this is the value of the h, which is the height of the pole. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.